everyone. I haven't come live for a very long time. So I thought आज आके थोड़ी सी बातें कर लेते हैं. I'm looking like a full champu right now. It's only because I finished working out and I just managed to put on some lipstick for the live. Wow, a lot of people here. Let's see if we have a few questions. Gurti says hi, love from Singapore. Hi. What's your next project? यार मेरे 2 projects completed हैं. I'm hoping for it to release soon. Okay, so I just wanted to come online today for one major reason. If you are in Maharashtra, if you are in Bombay, प्लीज़ डोंट टेक इट लाइटली. कल मैं बाहर गई थी गाड़ी में ही, मैं कहीं उतरी नहीं थी क्योंकि आई हैड टू पिक अप सम स्टफ एंड लिटरली आई सॉ एवरीवन आउट. मतलब कोई मास्क नहीं पहना, कोई नहीं, सबने मास्क पहना हुआ था लेकिन काफ़ी लोगों ने मास्क नहीं पहना था. स्टारबक्स के बाहर लड़कियां सिर्फ एक ग्रुप में बैठ के फोटोज खींच रही थी विदाउट एनी मास्क. बाय द वे देयर वर 3 गर्ल्स आउटसाइड स्टारबक्स इन द इवनिंग yesterday. My friend just told me there were about 18 people outside Subway today in Juhu. So I have no idea why is everyone taking it so lightly. Of course you can step out. You have permission to do your essentials. लेकिन यार प्लीज बाहर मत जाओ. अपने मतलब जाओ लेकिन इतना मत जाओ कि आपको लगे कि आप पिकनिक मना रहे हो. I mean, it's not a picnic. It's still a controlled lockdown. So please be careful because Maharashtra is going through a very bad time. Subway says, आप भी बाहर मत जाइए, आप बहुत cute हो. In one message. That is so cute. Thank you very much. Let's just take... यहाँ पर भी वही हाल है, says जग्गू. Hi जग्गू, how are you? Okay. विनीता कहाँ है? अरे यार, I know I'm missing Shubhangi so much. I'm missing her so much. I miss working. I miss traveling. I miss spending time with my loved ones. Neelu, yes, I miss Neelu. I haven't seen her in the longest time. So hi Neelu. Okay, everyone keeps wondering. I keep mentioning Neelu all the time. Neelu, can you send me a request so I can take you live with me? Okay, tell me, what are the real issues people are facing right now in terms of course, lockdown khulne wala hai. Is anybody itching to work? I am just like, let me just go back to work. Let me just start. But it's so scary with everything that we're going through and people are taking it so lightly. I wonder why. So please, ab lightly mat lijiye. Neelu's like, no. Neelu's like, आप कितनी सुंदर हैं. Neelu, you mix Punjabi and Hindi. By the way, Neelu and I speak in Punjabi a lot. मैं पंजाबी गल कर दिया नीलू दे नाल क्योंकि वो मेरी सिखनी है. ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ मैं पंजाबी गल कर सकती हाँ. मेरी प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाती है ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ. So I really miss you, Neelu. Favorite cricketer? गुड क्वेश्चन. एक्चुअली यू नो कुछ 3-4 साल पहले तक मैं क्रिकेट बहुत ज्यादा फॉलो करती थी, मतलब एकदम ज्यादा. आई यूज्ड टू बी एन आर्डेंट क्रिकेट फॉलोअर. अभी कुछ 3-4 सालों से आई हैव नॉट बीन दैट मच इनटू क्रिकेट राइट नाउ, बट आई थिंक विराट कोहली इज जस्ट सच अ फैबुलस captain, player, reliable cricketer. He's so good. He's got his, you know, winning spirit also, but he also has his head on his shoulders. So I really like him. I think he's done so well for himself as a captain. Hi Gaur, I'm a big fan of you after Big Boss. You motivate me a lot. From Gurgaon. Thank you so much, girl spreading smile. That is really sweet. Thank you. I love your bond with your sibling. Love from Delhi. Which type of people do you not like? Next question, Bharat. I don't know. I actually don't concentrate on what I don't like about people, but I don't like people who are fake. Matlab they put on a personality just to impress someone else, and unka sach baad mein nikalta hai. You know how they are. So I don't like people who pretend to be somebody else that they are not. I like people who I can see through their soul and say, okay, ye banda aisa hai, ye bandi aisi hai. I don't like people being and all of that. What is your opinion of Loki and Karela? Raheel? I love Karela. In fact, it's great that you asked me this question, is because I have decided today that I love Karela so much just because I had Karela for dinner. I love Karela so much that I need Karela every day in my meal. That's how much I love Karela. Seriously. Loki is okay. Loki is low-key. Oh God, my humor in this lockdown time has become so, I don't know, bad or good, or I don't know what it is, but so many people are appreciating all my rubbish. Sugandha says you only reply to Muslim people. It's not true at all. You can take these allegations and take it somewhere else. It's not true at all. Please don't spread your hatred here. I don't care about what your opinion is. I love everybody. I take as many questions as I can. I speak to everybody with all my heart. So you can take your ridiculous question and your statement somewhere else. Lots of love from Jaipur, says Diva Vaishali Chaudhary. There you go. Please come to Jaipur. I love Jaipur. I've done so much work in Jaipur, so many shoots. Inshallah, I'll come soon. Actually, let me address this because I think it's a big problem in our country and everywhere else in the world. Right now, everyone's fighting Black Lives Matter, this Lives Matter, that. At the end of the day, just think about it. It comes from judging something, some person, some race, some culture, and putting them into brackets beforehand, before actually experiencing them. And that's where this kind of crazy mentality comes from, that oh, Muslim ho to tum sirf Muslim ko pyar karte ho, ya tum sirf Muslim ke jawab dete ho. And it makes me so angry, so angry, because you come from a country like India where every race, every religion, every caste, every culture is so well respected, at least from where I grew up and the school I went to and the teachers I had. So I don't know what school you come from and I don't know what your parents are teaching you at home to be this small minded. मतलब आपका दिमाग इतना छोटा है कि आप सोचते हो कि लोग सिर्फ, क्योंकि क्या आप मीडिया ज्यादा देख रहे हो, न्यूज ज्यादा देख रहे हो, आपको ज्यादा वही चीजें दिमाग में आ रही हैं. So I bring shame to you and I tell you that you are not a nice person if you're going to put people in brackets. And especially the minorities in this country. We need your support right now. Mehvishwas, thank you for saying this aloud. Yeah, I had to. It just makes me so angry. Sometimes, I try and avoid it and I don't care about people abusing. I don't care about tum kya bologe. It doesn't make a difference to me. But the moment you put a judgment on me, on the person that I am and the decisions that I make, that makes me so angry. Oh my God, don't you dare put me in a category of what you think of yourself, because it's a reflection of what you are and I don't really care. Preeti, you missed my Karela recipe, by the way. I gave out a recipe on my live. Imagine. And I was asked what are my views on Loki, and I said Loki is low-key. You get it? Like Loki? You get my joke? Oh God, so funny. Preeti, someone just put me in a category of saying that, oh, because I'm Muslim, I only reply to Muslim people on my live. So I got really angry about that and I gave a long spiel about it, about how Indian I am. So you should know that. Hey, in fact, let me tell you, that is how tolerant I am, that even on my own table, my friends can eat pork or whatever it is that they want to eat, because it's my belief what it is. So don't you dare ever put me into any categories. So just, it's about tolerance, it's about love, it's about acceptance in this country. So please, alright. You always rock, says Sananur. Thank you so much. Like this expression, Preeti says, please, what is this expression? Can you smile? Now she is like, oh, I look pretty angry. Chalo, good, that's good. थोड़ा कुछ बदल गया है लॉकडाउन के टाइम में. Upload your exercise videos, please. Okay, Shama, I will, inshallah. Lots of love, guys. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay inside. Lahore kab आओगी? पता नहीं यार, inshallah someday. You look adorable. Thank you very much, Munawwar. Okay, gotta go. Lots of love. Stay away from negativity. Spread love. Correct people as much as you can. Don't let anybody live on hate. Stay happy. Lots of love. Okay, bye. Love you. And please stay home. Stay home. Stay home.